Hi, boys and girls. Here it is, Friday. Yeah, Bob says, turn me around. He doesn't want you to see his backside. He wants you to see his front side. It is Friday, and we are on lesson 143. Today is math test day, so today's paper is super simple. Yep, Bob says even he could do that paper today. Well, we're out searching for an adventure. Are you on an adventure today? I love the adventures I have been on. Caleb took me on a train ride with Thomas the Tank Engine. Ella put me in on the trampoline. Boing, boing, boing. It's a good thing she didn't jump on Mrs. Croft, but then I'm already flat, so it would have been okay. Where are you going to take me today? I can't wait to see the adventures that we'll have. We're going to have an adventure with some numbers back here. Bob thinks that he knows the answers. Yep, Bob thinks he does. But we're donning our cap because an adventure is straight ahead. Are you ready to join us? Maybe you want to go get a ball cap on or another hat you have and show me your hat. Okay, here we go. Let's get ready. Let's see if I can. Where can we put Bob today so that he can join us? Bob, yeah, maybe right here. Maybe I will move me to the other side of his arm. Okay, Bob, can you sit right there? Yep, there we are. Good. You can see Bob. Bob has eyes on you. That's right. He wants you to do your best. Before we do our paper today, we're going to do some review. I have a Speedy Sam. We have not done a Speedy Sam in a while. I want you to look at this number. You can freeze it. You can do the problem. I want you to text me the answer later. I am not going to tell you the answer. If you text me the answer or send me a video, I will respond and you can tell me, I will tell you if you're right. Okay, 3 plus 8 plus 2 minus 5 times 5. Do your best job. See if you can come up with the right answer for that. Okay, that's your challenge. And I know that you can accept that challenge. Let's practice some times tables. We have just a few today. Okay, let's see if we have, I don't think we have enough for everybody, but I have some other cards and we'll get everybody in. Okay, Calvin, what is 11 times 2? 11 times 2, 2 11s are 22. Remember, if you don't know, hold up that many fingers, count by twos. Oh, okay, let's go to the next one. Here we go, Calvin. 3 times 10. 3 fingers, count by tens. You've got it. And the answer is, hey, Lindley, no telling the answers. Okay, 3 times 10 is, that's right, it's 30. Nice job. Here we go, Adeline. You have an easy peasy one. 1 times 5. 5 times 1, 1 times 5, and the answer is 5. I dropped Adeline's work off at her house last night, and we did a quick review, and she reminded me that 1 times any number equals that number. Good job, Adeline. That was a perfect one for you today. Okay, Quinn, this is an easy one. If you listen to Adeline's little advice, you'll get this one. 2 times 1 is, that's right, it is 2. Okay, Caleb, don't get tricked on this one. 0 times 10 is, yes, 0 times 10 is 0. Any number times 0 equals 0. Boy, we've got the easy pile today. Hunter, what is 6 times 1? 6 times 1 is, yep, it is 6. Okay, let's see if Ben can do the next one. 2 times 10, Ben. 2 times 10 is, nice, 20. Okay, Ben's got his kitty cats and a brand new painted room. He's enjoying his time at home. Okay, here we go, Abel. What is 8 times 5, 5 times 8? What is 5 times 8? Hold up 8 fingers, count by 5s. Correct. The answer is 40. Nice work. Here's an easy one, Kendall. 0 times 9 is, yeah, it is 0. 0 times any number equals 0. This one's easy too. This is the easy pile. Roman, 10 times 5 or 5 times 10? Yep, that's right. It is 50. And the last one, Brady, 2 times 5 or 5 times 2? We know both of those families. We know the 5 family and the 2 family. And the answer is very right. It is 10. Wonderful job. You're going to see some times problems today in our work and on our test. When you get to your test, think carefully, okay? Think about, do I know the 8 times family? Nope. Do I know the 2 times family? Yes, I do. So whatever the family is, okay, I'm going to remember that. So I'm counting by, but I'm going to take that other number. Say it's 8 times 2. I'm going to hold up 8 fingers and count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, Don't go beyond those fingers. Just hold up the right number of fingers. Nice job. Let's get to our measurements. You are going to see measurements today on your test. It has been a while since we practiced these. I want you to have listening ears. I'm going to call for boys. I'm going to call for girls. I'm going to call for colors. I'm going to call for breakfast items. Did you have breakfast yet today? Okay, this is for everybody. We're going to get warmed up with a few for everybody. Everybody, 1 year equals about, who said 12? I heard 12. No, 12's allowed. What is the right answer? That's right. It is 52, about 52 weeks. Okay, don't get this wrong. Another one for everybody. 1 day equals how many hours? 1 day equals how many hours? And the answer is, if you said 24, you are right. Jump up and down 2 times. Jump, boom. Good job. Okay, here's the next one. I want you to clap if you get this one right 2 times. Clap 2 times. 1 dozen things equals how many things? Think about that carton of eggs. Hey, I heard some claps going on because they know that they got the answer. 12. Clap 2 times. Good job. This is for anybody wearing blue. Do you have any blue on? Okay, if you have blue, this is yours. If you know the answer, keep it in your brain, then we'll see if you're right at the end. Okay, here we go. The freezing point of water is, blue people? That is right, 32 degrees. Nice. Okay, this is for red people. Red. Anybody wearing red? Maybe you have red and blue on today. What is the normal body temperature? Normal body temperature. That is correct. It is 98.6. This is just for girls. Just for girls. 6 girls. Here we go. Are you ready? 1 year equals how many days? Did I hear 12 again? That's the months. How many days are in a whole year? That is right, girls. I hope you got this answer. If you do, jump up and down 2 times. 365 is correct. Nice work. Okay, boys, this is a hard one for you. Are you ready, boys? If you get this right, I want you to do 2 push-ups. Boys are strong. 2 push-ups. Are you ready? Here we go. 1 kilogram, 1 wild rabbit equals how many grams? Grasshoppers. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? If you get this wrong, you owe me 3 push-ups. Yeah. Did you get it right or did you get it wrong? And the answer is, that's right, 1,000. Good job. 2 push-ups for me, boys. Strong boys, strong boys. That's right. Hit the pause button if you need to. Okay, this is for anybody who ate cereal for breakfast. Cereal. 1 quart equals how many pints? 1 quart equals how many pints? 2 is the right answer. 2 claps. Good job. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? This is for anybody who had toast or pancakes or Pop-Tarts or muffins or donuts, anything like that. 1 pint equals how many cups? 1 pint equals how many cups? And the answer is, that is right, 2. Good job. Okay, this is a little bit harder. This is for everybody. Okay, are you ready? Okay, if you get it right, what should we do? Twirl around 2 times. Oh, don't get dizzy and fall over. So are you ready? You're going to twirl around 2 times. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? This is everybody. 1 meter. Remember, it's bigger than my yardstick. Okay, so what is it? 1 meter equals, if you said 100, twirl around 2 times for me. Good job. Okay, we talked about kilograms and grams. Now it's down to pounds and ounces. A pound, right? Do you remember what that is? Yeah, like a guinea pig. And ounces is that mouse. I found more mouse. Oh, you know what mice leave behind. So I've got to find and set another trap. That's right. Okay, are you ready? 1 pound equals how many ounces? This is for everybody. If you get it right, you can do anything you want for 2 times. You pick 2 claps, 2 stomps, 2 twirls, whatever. Okay, you ready? And the answer is, dun, 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 dun. The answer is 16. Hooray! Okay, this is just for girls. Girls, are you ready? 1 yard equals how many feet? How many rulers fit on a yardstick? Correct. 3 is right. Okay, boys, this one's for you. How many quarts are in a gallon? How many quarts are in a gallon? And the answer is, I heard it, 4. Okay, this is for boys. Boys, okay, boys, you ready? 1 leap year equals how many days? This is what we're in right now. This is our leap year. If you were listening to what the girls said, this is the other answer. And the answer is, shout it out as loud as you can. Oh, don't wake up Grandpa. Just kidding. Okay, and the answer is 366. Nice job. Okay, are you ready? This is for everybody. If you get it right, what should we do? Can you pat your head and rub your belly? Let's see if you can, okay? 1 minute equals how many seconds? 1 minute equals how many seconds? 60. If you got it right, you better be patting and rubbing. Oh, patting and rubbing, patting and rubbing. Okay, here we go. Next one's for everybody. Okay, 1 foot equals how many inches? That's how big your ruler is. Your ruler has, that's correct, 12 inches. I just have a couple left, okay? This is for 2 stomps, okay? Bump, bump, okay, if you get it right. 1 hour equals how many minutes? Everybody. 1 hour equals how many minutes? Da-da-da-da. Stomp, stomp. It equals 60. Nice job. Okay, this is just for boys. Boys, I hope you haven't made mom boil over like hot water. Have you been obeying? Have you been doing what you're supposed to do? Here we go. The boiling point of water, boys. What is it? Yes, I heard. One person got right. Oh, there's another one. Okay, here we go. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Good job. 2 jumping jacks, please. Okay, girls, this is for your 2 jumping jacks. 1 year equals how many months? How many months? 1 year equals, nice, January, February, March. That's right, 12. Okay, we only have 2 cards left. This is for everybody. 1 week equals how many days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the answer is 7. Perfect. Were you that perfect answer person? And 1 yard equals how many inches? How many inches are on my yardstick? Not 100. Who said 100? 100 is for centimeters. This is 36. If you got that right, give yourself a round of applause. Nice job. Okay, I hope you remember all those. You can't play the tape of this while you take your test. You have to have those answers up here in that great brain of yours. Okay? Good job. I want you to find for me your math paper. It looks like this with the bighorn sheep. See the bighorn sheep right there? How do they walk on these little narrow edges? I'll never know. Oh, ledge. Ledge. Did you remember today is a spelling test day? What is the ledge? What is a ledge? A ledge is the edge. That's right, the edge of the edge of the cliff, the edge of the ground, the edge. Okay, that's right. So make sure you think about that for our spelling test. We're going to get ready and do this first part together. Okay, here we go. I'm going to grab my little marker. You grab your brain and your pencil. Okay, here we go. The park ranger gave out 10 park maps per hour on Friday morning. Hey, it's Friday. Okay. How many maps did he give away in 4 hours? Now, I think we ended with maybe Abel. Kendall, can you help me on this, please? Brady. Was it Brady? Yeah, Brady, we ended with you. Ella, let's have you. Kendall, I'll get you in a minute, okay? So, Ella, here we go. The park ranger gave out 10 maps per hour on Friday morning. How many maps did he give out in 4 hours? So we know 10 is one of our numbers, and we know 4 is a number. So let's write 10 and 4 and an equal sign. Ella, what am I going to put in the middle? Am I going to put add, subtract, multiply, or divide? How many maps did he give away in 4 hours? Now, if I put a plus sign, is that going to tell me how many in 4 hours? Because he gave out 10 every hour. Ella, what are we going to use? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? This is what she said. Good job, Ella. Okay. She said multiply. So, Ella, what is 10 times 4? Miss Miles said, she said 40. Nice job, Ella. 40. Yep. Okay. Now, this next part, you need to grab your little handy dandy place value. Can you find your place value chart? Okay. We are going to fill it in, and that's going to give us our answer. How easy is that? Okay, if you need to hit the pause button while you go find it, you do that, then you start us up again, okay? It says for number 2, mark the circle under the correct answer. Now, this page, especially in the back, okay, oh, sorry. On Monday's page, you're going to see lots of these circles. So it's kind of like getting us ready for those tests we were supposed to have that we didn't have to take, but we're still doing our own thinking. I want you to think carefully, okay? So it says 531. So we have to decide, is 5 plus 3 plus 1 the answer? Or is it 500 plus 30 plus 1? So let's do, what's 5 plus 3 plus 1? What is that number? Madison, 5 plus 3 plus 1. Yeah, that's 9. That doesn't work. So let's check it out here. Let's use our little place value. So we have 500s. Okay, got 500s. How many 10s? 3 10s. And how many 1s? Yeah, just 1. Ah, does that answer match the beginning? Does that answer? Oh, I'm going to cover it up if I'm not careful. Here we go. Okay, 531. 531. So I am going to mark under this bubble right here. Good job, Madison. You were great at helping me. Okay, so you should have marked under that bubble. Good. Okay, Layla, let's get the next one ready. Layla, the next one says 2,000 plus 70 plus 5 equals, and it gives us 3 choices. So erase your place value. Did you bring a paper towel? Okay. Erase it off, so it's blank. Okay, here we go. So Layla, the first one says 275, but before we get the answers, let's write down what we have. 2,000. So how many thousands do we have, Layla? 2. How many hundreds? 2,000 plus 70 plus, right, 0. I am going to put a 0 there to hold my place. Okay, did you put a 0 next to it to hold the place? Nobody's there, but we're going to hold that place. How many 10s? 7. And how many 1s? 5. If I show you this and you show me yours, ready? On the count of 3, show each other. 1, 2, 3. There is our answer. Which one of these answers, Layla? Whoa! The whole world's falling apart. Layla, which one of these answers, if I do it like this, there we go. Now we can see. Is it 275? Is it 2,705? Or is it 2,075? First, second, or third one, Layla? Which one's right? Yes, I have to lay it down. I can't write backwards, Layla. She agrees with Mrs. Kraft. It is 2,075. Did you get that marked? I hope so. Okay, we're going to estimate. You have been estimating and rounding numbers the last 2-3 days. You can do this. So we're going to look at these numbers behind me. I have these up on the board, and we're going to round the numbers and estimate the answer. Remember, what is my trick when I round a number to the nearest 10? What has to be on the end? A 0 has to be on the end. A 0 has to be on the end. Do you remember yesterday? Oh, my ball? Yeah. Do you remember all those zeros? 70, 90, 20, 60, 40, yeah, all 30, all those numbers. They all end with a 0 on the end. Okay, let's go up here. And we're going to have Lucas help us. Lucas, first one is yours. Lucas, 43 plus 17. Lucas, is 43 closer to 40 or to 50? 43 closer to 40 or to 50? 43. Did I hear you say 40? I think I did. And that is exactly right. So 40. Put 40 in your brain. Or if you want to get your dry whiteboard. Do you have your dry whiteboard and a marker handy? You can put 40 on it. Just like Mrs. Kraft did. Okay? 40. Now 17. Is 17 closer to 10 or to 20, Lucas? 17. Closer to 10 or to 20? He said 20. Now I need to add those two numbers together. What is 40 plus 20? 0 plus 0 is 0. And 4 plus 2 is 6. 60 is my estimate. So underneath this number, I want you to write on your paper, write 60. Could you write that for me, please? Good job. Okay, Kendall, I said I'd come back to you. Let's see how you can do on this for me. Okay, erase that 60 so it doesn't get us into trouble. Okay, blank slate again. Okay, here we go. The next one. 18 plus 52. Kendall, is 18 closer to 10 or to 20? Is 18 closer to 10 or to 20? If you were in our class, you can look up on the number line, but you can't see it. It's clear across the room. So which one is it? She thought and thought and thought, and she decided 18 is closer to 20. Nice job, Kendall. Okay, Kendall, is 52 closer to 50 or 60? Remember, when it's 55, we go up higher. So is 52 closer to 50 or to 60? She got up on the right side of the bed today. She knows her numbers. Now, she said 50. Good job. 50, 51, 52. Way closer to 50 than to 60. Let's add these together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 5 is, 2 plus 5 is 70. So we're going to write 70 on this line. Hey, 60, 70. Do you think this one will be 80? What do you think? Okay, let's go to Benjamin. Benjamin, are you ready? This next one's yours. Okay, Benjamin, 14 plus 19. 14 plus 19. Is 14 closer to 10 or is it closer to 20? Don't get tricked. Is it closer to 10 or is it closer to 20? Yep, he said 10. Because remember, 15 and up is where we're going to go, but 14 is less, so good job. How about 19? Is 19 closer to 10 or to 20? Is 19 closer to 10 or to 20? He said it before I could even get it out of my mouth. That's right, 20. So now we need to add these numbers together. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 2 is, that's correct, 30. So we're going to write up here on this spot, 30. Good job. Hey, was that hard? It was not hard at all. It was super simple. Good job. Okay, number 4, we have missing terms. I need 9 helpers. Who wants to help? Who wants to help? Okay, we're going to do this together, so get ready to fill in the answers. Right, I'll put mine on the board so you can see them, but you copy yours down on your paper. Okay, we're going to go vertical today just to get those done. Okay, let's go to Hunter. Hunter, 6 plus something that equals 14. I know Hunter knows how to figure this out, but if you don't know how to figure it out, I know 6 and I know 14. I can count up to 14 or I can subtract 6 from 14. So you can do it whichever way. So if you count up, you're going to go 7, 8, stop when you get to 14, or you can do 14 minus 6. And Hunter, I know you know the answer. It is the number, excellent job. He said the number 8. He's been sitting there waiting the whole time. He knew that answer. Good job, Hunter. I appreciate that. That's right. We're going down. Okay, the next person is Caleb. Oh, Caleb, are you ready? Something plus 8 equals 19. Something plus 8 equals 19. Now think carefully on this. Caleb, you can count up or you can subtract. Okay, which one you want to do? Okay, you go at it. Tell me when you get ready. Tell me when you're ready. I heard. Oh, is that the right answer? Okay, did you say it again? He counted up. He said, okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's right. And the answer, 19, one more is, that's right. He said 11. Nice job. He ran out of fingers and toes. He had to take off his shoes and socks and use a toe. No, he didn't have to do that. Just kidding, Caleb. Okay, Quinn, next one's yours. Something times 5 equals 35. Now we know 5 family, so let's count by 5s, see how many fingers you use, and that will be our answer. Stop when you get to 35. So Quinn, see if you can do it before your friends do. Are you ready? 5. And the answer is, that is right. It is 7. 7 times 5 equals 35. Do I know my 7 times tables? Do I know my 5 times tables? Yeah. You know, if we were in school, we would really, really, really be practicing those. We'd be making that ice cream sundae. Man, that was what we needed, was ice cream sundaes. Mrs. Kraft has to make a note about that. How can I get you some ice cream sundaes? I'll write it down on my little tablet here with a question mark. I'll have to think about that. Okay, next row. Let's go to Adeline. Adeline, 17 minus something equals 9. Wait a minute, Adeline. You get the easy one. Because we have a 9 for our answer, I can add these two numbers together. 1 plus 7 is, and the answer is 17 minus 8 equals 9. That was so simple. Remember, anytime you have a 9 and you're subtracting, add those two numbers at the top. That'll make you fast. When you get in 3rd grade, people are going to be sitting there still trying to figure it out, and you're going to have it done because you learned one of Mrs. Kraft's tricks. Good job. Okay. This one doesn't miss it. This one is not missing a number, but this one we need either a plus sign, a minus, a times, or a divided by sign. So Kellen, you get the hard one. You get to be the first one, and you can do it. Kellen, you are very good at math. Okay, Kellen, here we go. We're going to try out every one of our signs. Okay, does 2 plus 6 equal 12? And the answer is no, it does not. Let's do subtract. 2 minus 6, that's right, I can't even do that. I don't have anything to borrow from. Nope. Let's do times. Does 2 times 6 equal 12? Let's try it. Let's hold up 6 fingers and count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what sign am I going to put in there, Kellen? It was easy. It was times. Nice job. Okay. Good thinking. Okay, here we go. Something minus 5 equals 4. Remember, what's the opposite of subtraction? Calvin, this one's yours. What's the opposite of subtraction? The opposite of subtraction is addition. That's right. We're going to add. So let's add 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equals, it does. Calvin, nice job. 9. Well, my marker's not doing so hot. Okay. Can you see that? 9. Okay. Just a couple more to do. I'll scooch over so you can see those. Okay. Oh, here we go. Lucas, this one's yours. What is 5 plus 10? 5, not 5 plus 10, Mrs. Kraft. If only I could read behind me. What is 5 times 10? We know our 5 family, we know our 10 family, and we know Lucas knows the answer, and Lucas made this water slide that was forever long. They actually hooked up the hose to the hot water in the basement so they wouldn't freeze. Okay, Lucas, that slide might have been this long. How much 5 times 10 is? 50. That's right. I bet that slide was 50 feet long. Was it 50 feet long, Lucas? Maybe I'll have to get Dad's big, long tape measure out and measure it and let me know, okay? Here we go. Next one. We're missing a sign. Layla, you have to help us either add, subtract, multiply, or divide, okay? 14 blank 2 equals 7. Now, we don't know our 14 times tables. We don't know our 7 times tables. So we have to think about our 2 times tables. So let's think. Let's do the add first. Does 14 plus 2 equal 7? Make a net sign. Let me hear yours net sign. Yeah. Okay. Does 14 minus 2 equal 7? Does 14 times 2 equal 7? Okay, let's count by 2s. 14. Do you have 14 fingers? Caleb, put your sock back off again. Okay, gotta use your fingers and toes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Can't be times. What's left? Divide. That's right. Because we know the opposite. Make that a dividing sign. Oh, you can't see that very well. There you go. Is that a little bit better? You know what? We know the opposite of division is multiplication. So let's check. Does 2 times 7 equal 14? Bing, 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 bing. It does. That's right. Last one. Oh, wait a minute. What's going on here? What is going on here? 5 times 6 equals 6 times blank. Okay, Madison, I need to have an even seesaw. Do you like riding teeter-totters or seesaws? When Mrs. Kraft was in school, you know what? The seesaw somehow always went boom. That's right. I always end up, somebody jump off to go play something else. And ooh, that hurts. We want to stay balanced. I liked when it would stay balanced and you could just tussle back and forth with your feet. So we have to make this equal. It has to be a twin, Madison. 5 times 6 equals 6 times, what's the other number I'm going to put? I'm going to put a 5. Nice job. Can you say a 5? Oh, I'm going to have to write really hard. There you go, a 5. It has to have the same numbers, a 5 and a 5 and a 6 and a 6. That way it stays balanced. Good job. Okay, on the bottom, I am going to get you started on this, and you're going to finish this part. We're taking a long time doing this, and really we shouldn't have to take that long. You know how to count. So I want you to look at the bottom. What are we going to, I'm just going to get you started, and you're going to do the rest on your own. So let's stop and think about this. Ella, are you ready? Okay, can you see Ella? 80, 82, 84. What am I counting by, Ella? Yes, I am counting by 2s. So Ella, after 84 is going to be correct. She knows. She's bouncing on that trampoline. She's doing a great job staying fit and active. 86. Right, we're going to continue on. Let's go down to the next one. We're just going to get you started, and you can do it later on your own. Okay, let's go to Brady. Brady, 55, 60, 65. He knew that. It's like counting money. That's right. 70. We're counting by 5s, just like on around the clock. And let's go down to the last one, okay? Are you ready? Here we go, Roman. 27, 30, 33. What are we counting by? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. That's right, we're counting by 3s. 34, 35, 36. Nice job. Finish the row all the way across. Just because I stopped doesn't mean you stop. You keep going. And on the back, you are going to finish the pattern, okay? It says continue the patterns, color the pictures. You're going to go all the way to the end. Don't just do one more. Finish all the way to the end. So if I have 2 tenths, a tree, 2 tenths, what comes next? What comes next, Kendall? 2 tenths and a tree, 2 tenths and a tree. I'm going to do a quick tree. Okay, and what's going to come next after that, Ben? Yep, a tent. Okay, there's Mrs. Kraft's tent. If I can draw a tent, you can draw a tent. And Hunter, what's going to come next? Yeah, one more tent. You need to draw at least 3 more things. 3 more. Did you hear that? I'll put in a circle here at the top. You need to draw at least 3 more things to finish each row. Okay, that's not hard to do. And then you're supposed to color the pictures. You can even do this with your crayons instead of using Mrs. Kraft used her marker, of course, because we're using this board. Okay, make sure you tune in and watch the test video so you can get all the extra help you need. It's going to be easy. You know everything. Borrow carefully. Check your work. Think, think, think. Don't check out. We only have one more test after today, and you can do it. I'm proud of you. I know you can. Okay, see you later. Bye.